In order to better meet the requirements of outdoor application scenarios, Wi-Tek has launched the Cloud Outdoor PoE Switch. The entire series adopts a waterproof enclosure design, supporting PoE power supply and cloud management. We provide you with an intelligent, simple, and easy-to-maintain outdoor cloud management network solution. It adopts a highly weather-resistant shell with waterproof function. You can manage and operate your projects anytime, anywhere through your mobile phone or computer. Quick configuration is achieved through the DIP switch. The Extend mode can extend the network transmission distance to 250 meters. After enabling WLAN mode, or downlink poor communication can be isolated. PD Alive mode can detect and restart unresponsive PoE-powered devices in real time. This series of switches provides over 8 PoE ports, and some models support high PoE or even 80.3 BT PoE output. SFP slot uplink achieve long distance, low latency communication. The Cloud Outdoor PoE Switch is the perfect choice for your outdoor CCTV and WLAN network solution.